Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm ARK. In this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your pattern and password for your A2 core. So you can see the phone is locked. Okay, so now I'm gonna press and hold the power button and volume down, and as soon as you see the light is turning off, you must release the volume down and hold the volume up. You have to keep holding the power button till the logo shows. Okay, after the logo appear, you can remove the finger from power button and you need to keep holding the volume up. Okay, so we are in the recovery mode. Your touch will not work. You need to navigate to wipe cache partition from your volume buttons and press power button to select it. Select yes and press power button. Okay, then you need to go to factory reset, and then you need to press yes using the power button, and boom, okay, then you need to reboot from using the power button, of course. As this is the first boot of our phone after factory reset, so you need to be patient. It may take long time, but your phone is not break, don't worry, it will reboot. Okay, so you need to keep your phone aside and wait until it boots.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So as you can see, it is almost finished installing the application. Meanwhile, you need to insert your SIM. Means you need to be ready for inserting your SIM. Okay, after it get boots, press start. I've not inserted the SIM, you can see it is I'm ready to insert it. Just connect your phone to Wi-Fi. I'm not blurring my password. What will you do after knowing my Wi-Fi password? Actually okay. Okay, so I've connected to my Wi-Fi. Now press next. Select all and again press next, and let it be. Okay, so now he is asking pattern. You just use Google account. Just press that use Google account. Okay, now get back to your get started screen, and now insert your SIM. Okay, I'm inserting my SIM. Make sure that the SIM is working and you get the network on your top right corner of the phone, and dial 112. It is an emergency number. Okay, as soon as the call connects, press the three dots appearing on the top right corner, and press on send message. Send any random text, and then press and hold on the text. Share that text and open it with Google Go. After you open Google Go, just use it without account, and select okay, press next and select English as a language. Done, and press back if you see this page, and go to settings at the top left corner. Scroll down, go to terms and conditions, terms of service. Okay, open it in browser by clicking that three lines and accepting and continue. No thanks, don't sign in. Okay, so you are on Chrome. Now type the website as it is, as I am typing. It is not my blog, I'm mentioning it, but it has all the tools we require. That's why we are using it. So it is Mobile Teams Official, mobileteamofficial.blogspot.com. Type it as it is. I wish you can see it. You search it. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected, and you can see the first one, that is FRP unlock. So first download the first file. Allow the file's permission and press download. Click OK and check whether the download is completed. Download should not take much time because those are really small files. Okay, it is downloaded. It will be downloaded in fraction of seconds. Click on settings, give the permission to install, allow this source, and press install. Okay, then after it gets installed, press done. Get back and download the second file as well. And go to previous page, download this, the second file, and this is account login manager. That is okay. Press download, click OK. It is downloaded. Press open, install it. Its name is FRP Bypass. Click open. Press the three dots, browser sign in, and click OK. Agree all terms and conditions. Okay, log into any Gmail ID you previously had or you already have. So we have successfully signed in our Gmail ID since it is signing in. Okay, so we are signed in. Now you need to just restart your phone. Just keep it, it will restart itself. Okay, so press after it restarts, press start now. Next. No, sorry, I don't want QR code setup. I don't want QR code setup. Press back. Okay, let it connect to Wi-Fi. Press next. Okay, sorry, I don't want QR code setup. I want to start. Okay, don't add the network. Just press next after the Wi-Fi screen. Press all, agree all, and you will see that account is already added. Okay, press next. You can see the charging percentage. I have not cut the video or anything. You can have a look again. Actually my video was stopped. I have continued from there. Okay, so you can see account is already added. Okay, don't restore. You can set password or pattern. I don't want, I'm not interested. No thanks. Okay, accept. Finish it. You can edit these settings. I don't want to edit because I'm already low on storage. I can't record large videos. Okay, so our SIM card is detected. It is up and running. Just skip it, continue. I hope we could skip this, but we need to select a plan for pre-installed apps. Okay, I'm going with Gold Suit. Finish. And we are on the home screen. You can see we have successfully unlocked our A2 core. You can uninstall that FRP Bypass app now. That is it for the video, guys. If you find this video informative and helpful, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel because I upload these type of informative videos twice a week regularly. And see you in the next video, guys. Till then, bye bye, take care.